My dear students, now I will show you the process of registration and login to the system. This is a very important part of your application procedure. In this portal, at the top right, you can see a Register Now button. As you click that, you will see that a register pop-up is coming up, and thereby you should place your mobile number and your email ID. Now, please do remember that these two points are unique, that is, your mobile number is unique and your email ID is unique. No two candidates can apply through the same mobile number or the same email ID at the same time. So, be very careful while putting your mobile number and your email ID. Then continue to next step. As you continue to the next step, you will have to fill up a form which shows personal information. So, your name, your last name, your nationality, your state, your district, your gender, your date of birth, your social category has to be placed properly. Now, you see that there is an user ID and your email would be shown here instantly, but you can change it as per your wish. Now, you have to set password. There is a pop-up over there. Be very careful in this and confirm your password. OTP will be sent to your mobile number and your email ID. Please put that OTP in the given boxes. Now, you have to declare that you have passed class 10 plus 2 or equivalent examination and the academic year of your passing. You have to select the board from where you have passed your class 12th. The registration number is very important. Then your class 12th roll number is important, and you have to choose a file whereby your registration certificate will be uploaded. Be very, very careful in this, and then click to the consent button and complete your registration. As you click the complete button, then you will see that if you have placed a wrong registration number or your unique ID is not matching whatever you have given, this kind of error message will come. But if you think that you are on the right path, please click the confirm button. So, once you are registered successfully, you will receive a thank you message, and then you can go to login. Now, with this go to login button, as you click it, this login message will pop up, and again your user ID and password needs to be placed. As you place them and click the login button, you will be successfully logged in to the system. Now, as you log into the system, now you have to create your profile. See, in this slide, a 0% complete button is been shown. So, you have not yet filled up any profile of yours. So, before creating your profile, you have completed your registration process successfully and you have logged in into the system. In the next video, I will show you the process of creation of profile, and with that we will lead you to 100% completion of the profile, completing which you will be able to add preference list that will be shown in the next videos.